welcome to HW News. With the beginning of the Ram Temple construction in sight, a fresh row has begun over the statements made by senior politician and NCP chief Sharad Pawar. Sharad Pawar, taking a swipe at Prime Minister Modi, had said Ram Temple construction can help end the coronavirus pandemic. Now, Pawar's statement came after members of Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Ayodhya for the groundbreaking ceremony for the temple. The statement created much political furore. Let's understand from the beginning. The Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust was founded after the Ayodhya verdict of the Supreme Court in 2019, in which the apex court directed the central government to form such a trust. On last Saturday, the trust convened its first meeting to discuss the process to initiate the Ram Temple construction. The trust was earlier deliberating on two dates, that is 3rd August and 5th August. But they were informed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a prior engagement on 3rd August, so the Bhumi Pujan ceremony has been scheduled on 5th of August now. Mahant Nritya Gopal Das, who is the president of the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust, had on July 2nd written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He requested him to visit the Ayodhya temple for the temple's foundation laying ceremony. The meeting that went on for almost 2 hours also decided that the temple's height will be increased from 148 feet, which was decided earlier, to 161 feet, and there will be 5 domes in the temple instead of 3. While some media reports citing the trust members have said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting the Bhumi Pujan ceremony, no official confirmation regarding the same has been received from the Prime Minister's office. Pawar's statement, now what was it? Reacting to the development when asked by the media persons, Sharad Pawar said that some think that Ram Temple construction will help end COVID-19 pandemic. He said that we always think about what should be prioritized. As of now, our priority is to help those infected with coronavirus recover. He said, and I quote, that some people think that coronavirus will go away after the temple is constructed. That's why they would have organized the program. I am only getting to know about this from you people, unquote. He further said that for us, fighting coronavirus is very important. Because of the virus, lockdown had to be enforced. We are concerned about the economic crisis, the impact it has had on small businesses, and that's why I request the state government and the centre to pay special attention to it. There should be discussion in Delhi on how to help people to come out of the economic crisis. Now, this was an apparent dig at Prime Minister Modi, as well as this was a dig at NCP's ally in the state, Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray has also received an invitation for the Bhumi Pujan of Ram Temple. He had earlier said that he had parted ways with the BJP and not Hindutva. He had also said that he will donate 1 crore rupees for Ram Temple construction. Now, let's see what were the reactions to NCP Chief's statement. Reacting to Sharad Pawar's statement that some people think coronavirus can be eradicated by building a temple, BJP leader Uma Bharti on Monday said that this statement is against Lord Rama and not against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. She said that PM Modi never takes a day off, he sleeps for only 4 hours. This statement is against Lord Rama and not against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Maharashtra BJP also slammed this jibe, saying that there was no need for cheap politics as Lord Ram Mandir was about the faith of millions of Hindus. BJP leader Sudhir Mungantiwar said that everyone knows that COVID-19 is not going to go away by building of the Ram Mandir. They should focus on their state. Is coronavirus going to go away by buying expensive cars for their ministers, by not giving farmers loan waiver or black marketing of ₹20 masks for ₹200? There is no need for this cheap politics. Mandir is about the faith of millions of Hindus. This is what former minister in Maharashtra, Sudhir Mungantiwar, said.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.